Hi, I'm pharmacist Rory Blake. Continuing up on yesterday, where we talked about how the body has the ability to steal from structure in order to continue, and that's the reason old people, really old people, look so bad, is because their body is stealing from structure to maintain function. Today I've got the other part of that dichotomy that causes people to decline. By now it's pretty much established in this channel that the body declines because of excessive growth or explosive growth of bacteria that are becoming parasitic in the body. And this is a real problem. I'm sorry I'm having to make these while I'm walking, but it's about the only time I can fit them in. But anyway, what basically happens is there's another mechanism that the body uses to fight the parasitic infection. And what I was talking about yesterday was all theoretical, or stuff that I'd actually discovered using fish models. But today everything I'm talking about is in the literature. It's in the literature that proline is the molecule that's broken down in order to make energy in all parasites, every one of them. So the way they get their energy is by breaking down proline. Spermatozoa is another, although it's not parasitic, usually I guess not, but it uses that same mechanism for locomotion as well. But anyway, the body breaks down proline in the upper part of the digestive tract for energy, supposedly, but it's in the literature that it happens. And I'm thinking it's broken down to deny it from later on being used by parasites further on down in the intestines. So if this is what goes on, then the body denies, the human body denies the parasite the ability to move around and to function, but it also denies itself the ability to have proline absorbed. And so if this is what's going on, the only way for the body to replace this proline is to steal from structure. And that's exactly what goes on. You'll see that people that have, well, I mean, there's people that, I mean, they're losing all their collagen. Their joints, they're falling apart. Their connective tissue, the skin starts sagging. The sagging is because proline is so important to pull, well, it actually allows protein that incorporates to turn the corner. And so this becomes the reason that the body can flex and stretch and move around and stuff like that. So collagen has to have proline in order to be able to be flexible. And so anyway, that's the first thing. Tomorrow I'll continue with the other parts of it. But now you know that the body steals from structure to continue, and part of it is to keep to fight the parasitic infection, or what it thinks is a parasitic infection, by the parasitic bacteria, or the bacteria that's a normal bacteria that become parasitic. So thank you now, and we'll talk more tomorrow.